So we're taking the amazing puff box and making it next level. We've got a smoke bomb left over for 4th of July. I put it inside a glass jar because I don't want the heat to catch the cardboard on fire. And there's an adult here, me. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna close it up. We have a hose nearby in case we need it. All we need.
Bucket of water right there.
And we have our air puffer ready to puff.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
You'll know when it's working. Smoke bomb.
Okay, is it ready?
All right, give it a puff. Give it a puff, and let's see what happens.
Okay.
All right, try again. Whoa! There we go. Yes. Do it again. Do it again. Oh, that's fantastic.
It's important to point out here that the air rings are there whether you see them or not. So even in your box, the air travels just as far. The smoke just allows you to see the rings.
Oh my god. Oh.
Go. Go.
We were even able to make these vortex rings with air bubbles at the pool last summer. Just be sure to hold your nose when you do this.
It's still going. Oh, there it is. That was perfect. Do it again. Woohoo! So, good news, it didn't catch on fire, but it definitely almost did or could have. So definitely want to use a smaller smoke bomb. And definitely put it inside of a non-burning material.